Welcome to my channel. Flights Assistance. Boeing finally breaks silence and shocks everyone with 777X update. After years of delays and speculation, Boeing has finally provided a major update on the highly anticipated 777X program. With industry experts questioning its timeline and viability, the new developments have sent ripples through the aviation world. Here are 10 key points highlighting why this latest announcement is a game-changer. 1. Confirmed certification timeline. Boeing has officially outlined a revised certification timeline for the 777X. The aircraft, initially slated for entry into service in 2020, faced multiple delays. However, Boeing now expects certification to be completed by 2025, with the first deliveries to launch customers shortly after. 2. Enhanced engine performance. The General Electric GE9X, the world's most powerful commercial jet engine, is a key component of the 777X. Boeing's latest update confirms improvements in fuel efficiency, thrust, and durability, ensuring lower operating costs for airlines. 3. Folding wingtips are ready for deployment. One of the 777X's most groundbreaking features is its folding wingtips, designed to enhance aerodynamics while maintaining airport compatibility. Boeing has now successfully completed extensive testing, proving that the mechanism is reliable and ready for operational use. 4. Stronger orders and airline commitments. Despite previous concerns over demand, Boeing has secured additional orders from key airlines. Emirates, Lufthansa, and Qatar Airways remain committed customers, with more airlines reportedly expressing interest in the aircraft as the market recovers. 5. Freighter version officially in development. Boeing has confirmed that a 777X-based freighter, the 777-8F, is in the works. This cargo variant aims to replace aging 747 freighters and compete with the Airbus A350F, offering increased payload capacity and improved fuel efficiency. 6. Cabin innovations for enhanced passenger comfort. The 777X will feature next-generation cabin enhancements, including larger windows, improved lighting, and quieter interiors. With wider cabins than previous 777 models, airlines can offer more spacious seating and upgraded business-class experiences. 7. Competitive edge against Airbus A350. With Boeing's latest updates, the 777X is positioned as a strong competitor to the Airbus A350. While the A350 is already in service, the 777X's larger capacity, new wing design, and improved fuel efficiency could make it the preferred choice for airlines looking to maximize long-haul performance. 8. Increased range and operational efficiency. Boeing has confirmed that the 777X will feature extended range capabilities, allowing airlines to operate ultra-long-haul flights more efficiently. With improved aerodynamics and engine performance, the aircraft is expected to set new benchmarks in fuel burn per passenger. 9. Successful flight testing progress. After several delays, Boeing has reported significant progress in the 777X flight test program. The aircraft has completed various stress tests, crosswind landing trials, and system evaluations, moving it closer to regulatory approval. 10. Potential impact on the future of long-haul travel. With the 777X program gaining momentum, its impact on the industry could be substantial. Airlines looking to replace aging 747s and early 777 models may find the 777X to be the perfect solution for long-haul routes, reinforcing Boeing's position in the wide-body market. Boeing's long-awaited update on the 777X brings renewed optimism for both the manufacturer and its airline customers. With a clearer timeline, enhanced technology, and growing demand, the 777X is set to play a pivotal role in the future of aviation. If Boeing successfully delivers on its promises, the 777X could redefine long-haul air travel, making it a game-changer in the industry. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.